previously recorded. I saw that some of y'all was curious about the Instant Pots. They got them for $69 for the, what that is, the 6-quart Instant Pot. So that's pretty nice size for that. And it's on sale for $99. I mean, for $69, the normal price is $99.98, $100. Little nip of food is just, woo! Okay, here they also have the disinfectant wipes, and you get 4 in a pack for $8.96. And I like to use Fabuloso, and they have it for $7.88 for the big 210 fluid ounce size. So I'm gonna get one of those. This rice right here for $9.82, and I store it. So yeah, so that's why I'm here today, getting all my bulk size rice and flour and stuff like that, while my deep freezer is a little empty, so I can go ahead on and stick it in the freezer, and that way it'll give it time to kill the bugs and stuff like that before I store it in my container. So yeah, $9.82. Hey family, how y'all doing today? Today I am going to be making for you a breakfast rice, and I'm going to be using my leftover rice to be create this breakfast, y'all. So if you know me, y'all know I like to do stir fries and throw stuff together and make good meals like that and stuff like that. But also y'all know that I am on my purge as well, and I'm just cooking up what I got and making meals and stuff like that. So this right here was just some leftover rice from dinner, and so you know I'm going to be creating a meal from it. Now, what you're going to need is some bacon. You can use real bacon, but I just got some bacon bits. So you're going to need some bacon. You're going to need some link sausage of your choice, or sausage patty. I'll be using sausage patty. You're going to need you some eggs, however many eggs that you would like. You're going to need you some cooked rice. I recommend cooked rice because it's going to work better using the cooked rice. You're going to need you some onions, which is optional, some bell pepper, which is optional, some mushroom, which is optional. You're going to need you some soy sauce, okay, and then you're going to need you some seasoning. Now, that's all you need to create this meal. Now, y'all, let's go on and get into this recipe. I want to thank you for coming if you was new, and I hope you enjoy. And don't forget to ring the doorbell. That means hit the thumbs up, the like button. Okay, and one more thing I wanted to mention that I forgot to say is I have a second channel. The name of my second channel is Boss Up Cleaning. That's why I put my cleaning videos, organization, decorating, and stuff like that. So I ask that if you like anything like that, I ask that you go over and show that channel some love. And when you do, leave a comment and let me know that you have joined the family. Yeah. Okay, so first thing first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to whip up the eggs too. And I'm going to add a little seasoning to it, a little salt and a little pepper. So I have my salt, got my pepper, I'm going to mix that on up some more. Get these down in my wok. And I want them to fry, alright? Just let it sit there. Don't start turning them because you're not trying to cook them like you do scrambled eggs. Alright, so now what you want to do is you have let it sit for a little bit, and you let the egg start browning just a little bit, you know, just frying it up. And now that it have fried, you're just going to take it and scoop it up, flip it over. And you see that little browning? It's okay, because that's what you want right there. And you just let it sit and let it just fluff up. You know how eggs do when you just let them sit and they start getting all fluffy and start rising and stuff? That's what you want. So we're just going to let that cook just like that. And when it get done, just like this right here. Don't even be trying to break them down and all that stuff right now. It's okay if it tear up, but don't be trying to break it down and all that right now, because, you know, that ain't what you're trying to do yet. All right. So now that is done, I'm going to take that out the pan and put it in your bowl till I'm ready to use it. This is a 1-pan dish, y'all. You ain't got to worry about messing up all your dishes and stuff. Alright, so now we're going to go in with our sausage patty or your sausage link that you cut up, however, whatever you like. Turkey sausage, whatever your preference is, that's what you use, okay? Alright, so I'm going to add just a little bit more oil to this. Bacon, I'm actually using bacon grease. I'm going to add a little bit more to that. And to that, I'm also going to add me some onion. You add as much onion as you like, or none at all. It don't matter. So now what you want to do is you want to break this sausage patty down just like ground beef, to resemble ground beef. Y'all, this gonna be so good. And where I get this from is, you know how I don't know if y'all have a restaurant that's called Shoney's. Well, that restaurant, they sell rice and you know, they have breakfast foods and stuff like that. So in the mornings, well, not in the morning, but when I used to go to Shoney's or whatever, for breakfast, I used to take the rice and I mix me some mushrooms and I mix some of the eggs and bacon and sausage and stir all that up together. And I used to, and this is what I came up with, my breakfast rice. So I just took that from Shoney's and brought it on home, you know. And that, you know, it was just my little creation. I'm that type of person, if I go to a buffet, I'm going to take the stuff that they have, especially Chinese food. I'm going to, when you got all the different kind of meats and veggies and stuff like that they have set up, seafood and all of that, and you can take over to the hibachi grill and they'll cook it up for you. Well, I used to go and I'll go and I'll, you know, grab what I want, mix it together, take it to them, and let them fix it up. Same thing with the hot buffet food. Like, if I see something there that I like, I'm just going to take a little bit of this, a little bit of that, throw it together, and make my own creation. And that's just how I do, y'all. I'm just that type of person, I guess, because I love to cook. So, yeah, what you're going to do is you're going to let this here thaw out good enough to break it down. And that's what you see me doing right now. And so I'm breaking that down and mixing this in. I'm going to cook this in together with those onions. And once I get this broke down a little bit more, I'm going to throw me some bacon off up in there because I want my bacon to start getting heated through. And I have this up on a high, y'all. But look at those onions. That's going to be so good, y'all. I love breakfast rice. It's something quick and easy. Alright, so now I'm going to take my bacon bits, or you can fry up you some bacon like I said and add it to it, but I'm going to be adding bacon bits, and this is the real bacon bits. So now I'm just going to let that sausage cook all the way through. How y'all doing on today? What y'all got going on? Do you have any plans for today? I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper in there. Like that right there. Yeah. So let that down cook until the sausage is cooked all the way through. If y'all give this recipe a try, come back and leave a comment and let me know how you liked it. Or send me your pictures to my email. I do like to get y'all pictures and stuff of what you have cooked of mine, you know. Yeah, y'all, I can't wait till the day that I can open me a little restaurant or something like that. Something small, a little small diner. That's my dream, y'all. To at least have me a small little diner, walk-in diner, buffet style. You know, you come and order from the buffet, take your food, leave, make like a couple tables in there, you know, and that's about it. But that's my dream, to have a small little diner, and you know, I hope that one day I do get to be able to do that. You know, have me a diner. Cause I love cooking. I love to cook different kinds of foods and stuff like that. Like, it makes me happy, you know, to cook for people and they tell me how good my food is. I just love that. And this is one of the things that I most definitely have on my menu, because this right here, it be so good, y'all. See how the onions are cooking down in it? Getting nice and caramelized a little bit, translucent looking. Okay, my sausage is just about finished. You gotta make sure you keep it moving, especially in the wok, because everything sits down to the bottom, so you don't want it to burn on you. Alright, so now I'm going to remove that from the pan as well. Right on top of those eggs. Okay. Then I'm going to come in with just a tad bit, bit more oil, bacon grease. Go in with my rice. We're gonna fry that up. And basically with the rice, you just kind of heat it through, that's all. Get that going. Now I'm going to add my soy sauce, and that's where you're going to get your color from. So you add as much soy sauce as you would like. Now I'm going to take my sausage and my eggs and onion and bacon mixture and all that good stuff. I'm just going to add that right in. And now you can break your eggs down. So that's why I say make this your own. Let that cook up just a little bit more, and this is about done, y'all. Let it fry down a little bit, and we in there. Wish I had me some green onion to go on this to make it nice and pretty. And that green onion will be good on it too. Alrighty, y'all. So this is my breakfast rice. All cooked up and ready to go. This is done. Only thing you want to do is heat that rice through. So now I'm going to get y'all in there so y'all can see what it's like. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I thank you for coming. Like I said, if I had some green onion, I'll take that and I'll put it right on top. But since I don't, make do with what you got. You got some parsley. I'm going to take that. I'm going to sprinkle the top of it with some parsley. Yes, honey. Okay. And there we go. Alright, y'all. So this is my jambalaya. I hope y'all like it. Give it a try. But until next time, this is your girl Tiana gonna be me. Y'all be blessed. And y'all have a good one. And don't forget to ring the doorbell, hit the thumbs up, the like button, that is. And also, don't forget to go over and show my second channel, Boss Up Cleaning, some love. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace, y'all.